Q3 result, net profit raised 5% to 577 crore AUM, up 16%. SBI Life reported a 22% YoY jump in net premium income to 30,245 crore. One-time premium received grew 24%, while renewal premium from existing policies increased by nearly 21%, underscoring and strong customer retention. SBI Life Insurance on Wednesday announced its financial result for the quarter ended December 31, 2025, wherein the company posted a 5% year-on-year YoY growth in the net profit to 577 crore. The profit figure stood at 551 crore in the same period last year. SBI Life also reported a 22% YoY jump in net premium income to 30,245 crore. One-time premium received grew 24%, while renewal premium from existing policy increased by the nearly 21%, underscoring strong customer retention. At the same time, operating costs rose significantly during the quarter. Management expenses surged more than 45% to 3,519 crore, largely due to a 28% increase in the commission and a 36.6% rise in employees-related expenses. Assets under management rose 16%, increasing from 4,416.8 billion as of December 31, 2024 to 5,117.1 billion as of December 31, 2025, with a debit equity allocation of 59:41. Nearly 95% of the debit portfolio is invested in AAA related and the sovereign and instrument, the company said. Total new business same issued reached 10,833.6 billion, reflecting a strong 69% growth. The life insurance industry witnessed the improved momentum during the third quarter, supported by recent regulatory measures and a gradual shift in customer preference toward a higher same assured product. The expansion of the GST of the individual policy contribute to the improved affordability and age demand during the quarter. During Q3, SBI Life reported an acceleration in growth compared to the first half of the financial year, resulting in improved performance for the 9-month period. The growth was primarily volume-driven, supported by increase in the number of individual policy sold during the quarter, said Amit Zingran, MD, CEO of SBI Life.